Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an automation tester or a Selenium enthusiast, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to attach Selenium to an already opened browser window and execute automation scripts on it. So let's get started. So I will be initiating the driver here, and we are going to use Chrome options here. So here we need to pass the host number, port number. So let's comment it for now and try to execute a normal script. Let's open google.com. Okay, this is the simple script which opens. Sorry, let's execute again. So this has opened one browser. This is simple script which opens the browser. I'm not closing this. We are going to use this session only. So as you all know, every browser session has some capabilities. So let's get all those capabilities of this browser session using capabilities class. So this capabilities is returning a map of object. Okay, so this is returning a map of string object. Let's store those values and let's see what are the values we are getting from these capabilities. So let's try to print all these capabilities. So this is the key value I am printing with value also. Let's print value, get value. So this will print all the capabilities of this browser session. Okay, so let's close this one and let's try to execute this session again. This will again open one new browser window. Okay, let's keep this aside. Okay, so let's see what are the values is got printed. So if you can see here, these are all the capabilities of this browser window. From these capabilities, we are going to use the localhost ID. So we can see there are two options. So we can see this debugger address is localhost 58808. So we are going to use this port number to execute the script in this browser. So for that, let's take one website, Internet Hero website, which is a good website for automating. So here let's try to click on any one text. So let's click on the checkbox here. Let's write the CSS for this one. So we have CSS and let's write the code now. So I'm going to click on this checkbox text. Let's comment google.com for now, and let's take the host port number and use in our script. So here I'm passing the port number, and since we have passed the options to the Chrome driver, this will take this browser session and execute our script in this browser, whatever it is open. So let's try to execute it. If you can see, this browser which had opened previously, our script got executed in that one. Let's again click on this checkbox, the first checkbox. Let's use input text. Oh, so this is not an input tag. So let's take form. In this form, we have two inputs. Okay. So let's do one thing. Take IDs and we got two inputs. Let's take the child one. So we have successfully wrote the CSS for the first checkbox. If you can see, we are getting only one element. So I have unchecked the second checkbox, and let's click on the first checkbox. CSS dot click. I'm commenting the first one, and let's try to execute the script and check whether this will execute in this browser session or not. See, it got selected successfully and our test is passed. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like if you get some idea on how to execute the scripts on an already open browser. This will help you in executing the automation scripts. Thank you.